This is my favourite quote by Gordon Higginson, which is called Finding the Spirit Within. The quote is from one of his lectures where he talks about spiritual development and the need to go within ourselves before working with spirit. I've provided the audio extract from the lecture it comes from, so that you may hear the words spoken by Gordon and feel their power. A transcript of the audio extract is also available, and I will link to it below. I do hope you find these words helpful for your own development journey.
Before you can touch the Spirit, you must find it within yourself. For all truth, for all knowledge, and all love must be found first within oneself. The Spirit can never touch you and bring love and peace within your being, from your being, until you have found it for yourself. And before you can build a picture of love from the Spirit, you must learn to find it in this life. For visualization is leading you to vision itself. For words and music are there for you to find in moments an answer, something that's for you to live our life in truth. When you have passed through those experiences, then offer yourself to the Spirit, not before. Always prepare yourself as a channel to the Spirit that's passed through experiences that's held you tremendously strong, no matter what despair, no matter what misfortune, you stand there with love still radiating from you. Then God will touch you. And you will have been chosen there as a channel for the great Spirit. So I want you to look at development and meditation in two different ways. One, you can learn to sit quietly and have a lovely book. I suggest that you find those that lovely verse, and sometimes some beautiful music that touches you, your being. You sit quiet, you go through it. Let the emotion come when it touches you. Don't be afraid to weep. And always smile afterwards. You pass through experience of being touched by something very beautiful. Then you will know what it's like when you really touch the Spirit. For that same wonderful impression will be given to you. You'll know then what the meaning inspiration means to you.